I'm always trading with simple and basic trading strategies. If you are watching my videos, you know that I am always using same technique and same method. M30 time frame price making also musculated divergence. When there's a divergence setup, price will make a reversal or pullback. But only with this divergence setup will not good enough to enter the market. If you clearly see on the chart, you can see here we have extreme setup. This is early sign of reversal or pullback. These two reasons good enough to enter the market. Take profit area will be nearest resistance. Time to wait and relax.
2,000 years later.
Market reacted to our setup nicely.
It's really simple. You don't work hard enough. You need to work harder. Destroy the old you.